Hello, my name is Laurel Spatz, and today we're tackling common myths about dieting and exploring the truths behind metabolism, fat storage, and the cultural impact of these beliefs. Hello, my name is Laurel Spatz, and today we're tackling common myths about dieting and exploring the truths behind metabolism, fat storage, and the cultural impact of these beliefs. Let's begin with metabolism and weight loss. A widespread belief is that metabolism is the same for everyone, but that's simply not true. In reality, metabolism varies significantly from person to person, and a variety of factors influence it. For example, genetics can play a role in determining basal metabolic rate, or BMR, the number of calories the body needs at rest to perform basic functions like breathing and cell repair. Additionally, factors such as age, muscle mass, and hormone levels play major roles in metabolic rates. Research by Bosie West and Mueller in 2014 shows that as we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. This is largely due to a decrease in lean muscle mass, which is metabolically active tissue that requires energy to maintain, and a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition by Scholar in 2009 also confirmed that muscle mass significantly influences energy expenditure. Maintaining or even increasing muscle mass through strength training can help keep metabolism active and efficient. Moreover, what we eat also impacts our metabolism. Studies by Granado and Bosnoik in 2004 and Danielle et al. In 2021 highlight that different types of diets can either speed up or slow down metabolic processes. For example, a high-protein diet can increase the thermic effect of food, which is the energy required to digest and process food, leading to an increased metabolic rate. According to the study by Jacquire in 2002, protein increases TEF by as much as 30%, compared to only 6 to 8% for carbohydrates and fats. Next, let's look at fat storage. There's a common belief that all dietary fat is harmful and should be avoided. This is misleading. In fact, fats are essential for many vital bodily functions, including hormone regulation, brain function, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. However, not all fats are created equal. Understanding the types of fat is crucial. For example, saturated fats can be part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation, as shown in a Miura et al. 2016 study. Saturated fats support healthy hormone production, especially the production of cholesterol, which is essential for producing vitamin D and certain hormones. But it's important to remember that moderation is key. Studies have shown that consuming high amounts of saturated fats, particularly those from animal sources, may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease over time. On the other hand, trans fats, found in many processed foods, are harmful and should be generally avoided, as indicated by Uman et al. In 2001. Trans fats have been shown to increase the risk of heart disease, raise LDL cholesterol levels, and reduce HDL or good cholesterol levels. They also contribute to chronic inflammation, which is a very known risk factor for a variety of diseases. Let's address some common myths. One popular myth is that skipping meals is an effective way to lose weight. While it may seem like a shortcut, research has shown that skipping meals can actively slow down your metabolism. Studies have found that intermittent fasting, when done incorrectly, can cause a decrease in resting metabolic rate, particularly if food intake is insufficient or too restrictive over long periods. For example, Brocchi et al. 2022 examined the effects of intermittent fasting on metabolism and concluded that while it can have benefits for brain metabolism, when not done correctly, it may negatively impact metabolic health. Another misconception is that all carbohydrates are bad. In reality, carbohydrates are essential for providing energy, especially for the brain and muscles. Cienfuegos et al. 2022 reviewed the effects of different diets on reproductive hormones and metabolic health and found that complex carbohydrates like whole grains and vegetables are good for overall health. These carbohydrates provide fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and support digestive health. The key is choosing the right type of carb. Those that are rich in fiber and have a low glycemic index. Refined carbs, such as those found in sugary snacks and processed foods, can spike blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain and other health issues. These myths can lead to unhealthy behaviors and poor body image, which is why it's important to rely on evidence-based information. The media and popular diets often promote extreme or restrictive approaches that are unsustainable and may even cause harm. For example, fad diets can limit certain nutrients that lead to nutrient deficiencies, as shown by Malik et al. 2020, who found that long-term adherence to such diets can restrict essential vitamins and minerals. Social media has a significant influence on how we view diets and body image. The pressure to conform can lead to unhealthy habits, including disordered eating and negative self-esteem. This constant exposure to apps like TikTok and Instagram can make individuals more likely to engage in yo-yo dieting or constantly shifting between different diets. This cycle has negative effects on the body, leading to a slower metabolism, nutritional imbalances, and long-term issues. An emerging trend of body neutrality is gaining popularity as a healthier approach to body image. Instead of focusing on how our bodies look, body neutrality allows us to appreciate what our bodies can do. This movement emphasizes function over appearance and can help relieve the effects of societal pressures. Teikla and Subich, 2002, found that focusing on how our bodies perform can lead to improved mental health and less body dissatisfaction. In contrast, body positivity focuses on embracing all body shapes and sizes, but can still be tied to appearance-based standards. In conclusion, breaking free from dieting myths and focusing on sustainable, evidence-based approaches can help create healthier relationships with food and our bodies. Food isn't the enemy, it's about balance, making informed choices and appreciating our bodies for all that they do, not just how they look.